Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through how to place a quick drop grind object in Skate 4. This is an incredibly handy skill that will help you create custom skating environments to practice your tricks. The process is straightforward and will only take a few minutes to master, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to click on the Add Object button in the game menu. This option is your gateway to all the customization features Skate 4 has to offer. Once you've done that, navigate to the object options and select a rail of your choice. The game offers various rail styles, each providing different grinding experiences, so take your time to find one that suits your skating style. Next, you'll want to rotate the rail to your desired orientation. This is a crucial step as the positioning determines how you'll approach and execute your grinds. Make sure you consider the flow of your skating line when placing the object. From there, carefully position the rail where you want it in the environment. Look for strategic locations that will allow for seamless transitions between tricks. If you're looking to create more complex setups, the duplicate function is incredibly useful. Simply select your perfectly positioned rail and use the duplicate option to create an identical copy. This saves you the effort of adjusting the same settings multiple times and ensures consistency in your custom park. With the duplicate feature, you can effortlessly place double rails or multiple objects to create more challenging and creative skating lines. Consider placing rails at different heights or angles to practice a variety of grinding techniques. By following these steps, you'll be able to build your own custom grinding paradise in no time. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to place quick drop grind objects in Skate 4. This skill will dramatically enhance your gameplay experience by allowing you to create personalized practice environments. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.